Hey everyone, and welcome back to the studio. Today I'm excited to share something that has completely transformed my workspace, and honestly, my workflow. If you've been following me for a while, you know that I'm all about creating a functional, aesthetic pleasing, and clutter-free environment. And let me tell you, I finally found the holy grail of desk setups. So feast your eyes on this beauty. This is the Desky Dual Laminate sit-stand desk with burnished wood with a matte black frame. In the size, 68.7 and 29.5 inches. It's absolutely perfect for everything that you do here. From the moment I unboxed this, the build quality just screamed premium. It's solid, sturdy, and has a weight to it that reassures you that it's going to last. The burnished wood laminate finish is just stunning. It gives such a warm, inviting feeling to the studio, but still maintains a sleek, modern vibe that I love. It's not just a desk, it's a statement piece. Now, for anyone who spends hours at their desk like I do, a sit-stand functionality is non-negotiable, and the Desky Dual motor system is incredibly smooth and quiet. It seamlessly transitions from sitting to standing throughout the day, which has been a game changer for my energy levels and overall well-being. No more afternoon slumps. It really does help break up those long creative sessions. I can program my preferred heights and it remembers them perfectly. It's all about staying active and productive even when you're tired of looking at your screen. Now, if there's one thing that drives me absolutely crazy, it's cable clutter. Clutter in general, to be honest. I despise it, and this is where Desky truly shines. This is the Desky integrated cable and power channel. Look at this, it's matte black, it's discreet, and it's not just a basic cable tray. This has 9 power plugs, 3 USB-C ports, and 3 standard USB ports built right in. This setup has perfectly accommodated my entire workflow. I connect my MacBook Pro to my CalDigit dock with just one cable. And this is the single cable that goes right into the Desky channel, keeping everything neat and tidy. Seriously, this is the best cable management and power combo I've ever seen on a desk. This is a minimalist dream, providing all the power and connectivity without you needing to have a virtual mess. It embodies that functional tech element that I'm always looking for. Next up, let's talk about the Desky monitor stand and matching burnished wood laminate. I absolutely love the aesthetics of this. It elevates my monitors to a perfect ergonomic height, freeing me from valuable desk space underneath. But it's more than just that. It ties the whole look together beautifully. It's sleek, it's modern, and it keeps my monitor exactly where it needs to be. And speaking of keeping things tidy, this is the Desky minimal underdesk drawer, also burnished wood laminate. This drawer is a perfect size for those essentials, pens, notebooks, external drives, things that you want close at hand, but out of sight. It maintains that clean, minimalist desktop I strive for. Again, the build quality is fantastic and it slides smoothly and feels incredibly robust. What's a fantastic desk without an equally fantastic chair? This is the Desky Vanguard Gaming Chair, and don't let the gaming name fool you. While it's certainly great for long gaming sessions, it's absolutely a powerhouse for studio work too. It's got fantastic lumbar support, a comfortable headrest, and everyday adjustment you could possibly need for finding that perfect sweet spot. The materials feel premium, and sitting in this for hours on end is a breeze. It's incredibly comfortable and supportive, which is crucial for those editing or creative sessions. It completes the whole ergonomic picture of my new workspace. The Desky Dual Laminate sit-stand desk with its incredible integrated cable and power channel, the sleek monitor stand, the practical underdesk drawer, and the super comfortable Vanguard Gaming Chair. If you're looking into upgrading your workspace, reducing clutter, improving your workflow with top-tier cable management, and invest in genuinely impressive build quality, I cannot recommend Desky enough. It transformed my studio, making it more functional, more comfortable, and perfectly aligned with my minimalist yet tech-forward design preferences. What do you think about this setup? Let me know down in the comments below. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and also subscribe to Bane Tech. For more content like this, make sure to hit that notification bell as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next one.